I'm thoroughly convinced that when we try to talk to a potential agent who's thinking about joining us about being more efficient with their time, it's totally lost. And the reason it's lost is because these agents are doing a deal a year, maybe two deals a year. And so when we talk to them about how it takes about 30 hours to close a buyer, and it takes about 10 hours, sometimes less, to close a listing. So, in order to make the same amount of money per hour on a listing versus a buyer, you should be charging 1% to list that house and you should be charging 3% on that buyer because that's how you're going to make the same amount of money per hour. And when we talk to agents about that, that idea is just so foreign to them. And the reason is because they've never done enough deals to actually feel busy. If I polled a lot of top producers and I was like, look, how many hours do you spend working with a buyer? And they said about 30. I said, what about a seller? And they're like, maybe 10. So if you get an agent, the average agent doing a deal or two a year, that means they're working 40 hours a year doing deals, like doing the actual deal 40 hours. How can we talk to that person about time management? That's why we have to have a complete and total, just mind swap. How do you get busy? How do you do more volume? How do you get to spend more of your day listing a house, working with a buyer, writing a contract, doing something that actually makes you money? That's what most agents need to be focused on. And quite frankly, they're just not. They can't even imagine that lifestyle.